Hi everyone, welcome. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I create educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. You guys, in this video, I will be unboxing and using this 3-in-1 Hydro Microdermabrasion machine from Microdermabrasion.com. I was excited when I got this in, and so I called my very loyal model so I can test it out on her first. Now, you guys, don't forget that Microdermabrasion.com has different types of machine options for you. Be sure to check out the description box of this video to get the appropriate discount code based on your purchase. So don't forget. Now, here I am showing you all the different things that the machine comes with. I'm excited because it also has the vacuum suction for the ventouses. It comes with the filters for the microderm. It has a spray machine and the hydro probe, and of course the Microdermabrasion, which is a old faithful, and I don't think it would ever go out of style. So let's get started. I'm excited to try it, and I'm starting out by doing her first cleanse. Here we go. For this protocol, I decided that once I came to a stop with my second cleanse, I would use the hydro probe. The machine has two containers, one where you can fill up with water, or you can also use a liquid cleansing solution of your choice. It's completely up to you. The other container holds the waste. I'm using water, so please remember that. The machine comes with 7 different hydro probes with different sizes. Adjust the suction and also the release of the liquid to your comfort. A reminder that you can use each modality on this machine in whichever way you believe would benefit your client the most. I will show you how to operate all of them to give you a good visual. So I hope you stay until the very end. If you are finding all of this information helpful, give this video a like. Make sure the skin is dry before starting the microdermabrasion. So there's nothing to it but to do it. Let's start as always on the forehead. I inserted a diagram to help you further. Think of your microdermabrasion as the mechanical method of exfoliation, removing dead skin cells to reveal a much smoother, brighter complexion. It's going to help unclog pores, reducing their appearance while improving skin texture and tone. And just a friendly reminder that you are able to perform microdermabrasion anywhere on the body. All microdermabrasion machines come with different size diamond grit tips. For those that do not know this, the number on the side of the microderm tips indicate the coarseness and grit size of that tip. Those numbers help you, the esthetician, choose the appropriate one for your client's skin type and treatment. So, for example, the higher the number, it indicates a finer grit suitable for sensitive, delicate skin. The lower the number, it indicates a coarser grit, more ideal for thicker, more resilient skin. Hope this helps. Next, I will be doing the massage, also incorporating the vacuum suction. I was extremely happy and excited when I saw that this machine included this in it, okay? So if you're not sure what the vacuum suction is, it is used in a facial treatment when you're trying to basically remove impurities, but also stimulate the skin and basically a facial lymphatic massage as well. It's really great. I actually really do enjoy using this machine and it worked amazing. So stay tuned. Here I am removing my Microderm wand from the black handle and inserting my flat ventouse to continue with my vacuum suction. And lastly, this machine also includes a sprayer, which is amazing because this is going to help deliver a deeper hydration to your client's skin. And of course, you can choose any hydrating mist of your choice. But yeah, I absolutely love it. And you will see how my model's skin was just looking radiant and extremely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful in the end. And of course, we are now coming to the end of this treatment. I opted in for applying this hydrating lip balm on my model's lips because why not, right? That is it for this video. I was excited to definitely show you guys everything that this small machine has to offer. I'm actually really happy with the size of it. It's not very large, but yet is very powerful. So again, if you are on the market for a new machine, check out Microdermabrasion. They have many machines, you guys, so go in there and just check out everything that they have, and go on my description box of this video to see all the discount codes that I have available for additional savings. And let me just tell you that if you have any questions regarding any of their machines, definitely reach out to them through social media. I want to say that they are pretty quick with responding. There is a time change, so be mindful of that. But overall, they do try to respond as quick as they can. So reach out if you have any questions. But hey, that's it for me. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. As always, thank you for being here. Thank you for your continued support. I will never get tired of saying that. And you guys, let's keep going. Let's keep growing. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.